All right, so we're going to make some of this, I guess I'll just call it potatoes and vinegar, fried potatoes and vinegar, which I love. I've never had anything
Sour.
quite like this before. So what we've done here is Catherine's taken 2 potatoes, peeled of course, sliced very thin, and then cut into like julienne pieces. And then we have 2 or 3 green onions, big slices. All right, so we got our burner on. Put in some olive oil, maybe a tablespoon. Okay, we're gonna first fry up the green onions. Get them a little bit brown. Now we're going to add in our potatoes. Because the potatoes are sliced so thin, they're going to cook pretty fast. Okay, so we're going to add in our teaspoon of red wine vinegar. Let that cook and maybe marinate a little bit in there. So I guess you put the vinegar in first to kind of pickle the potato a little bit so that it doesn't overcook and get real soft. If you put the salt in first, it'll make it too soft.
You see, almost done. And put salt.
Now add your salt. And these potatoes only cook not even 5 minutes.
Yeah, very quickly.
Wow, this seems so easy. It's a really different, unique taste. I've never had anything like that.
Okay, that's all.
That's it. Wow.
Don't make too long time.
Serve them up. Boy, there's about a 10-minute meal. 5 minutes to prepare and 5 minutes to cook.
Very quick.
Okay, let's try these. Hopefully they're not too hot. Yeah, see the potatoes are a little bit, hard. I'm not going to say crunchy, but they're not real soft like potatoes. Maybe they are a little crunchy. But that vinegar, oh, so good. Definitely. 2 thumbs up.
Thank you.
Thank you. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. Thank you.